Create this effect in Illustrator. I've already set my background to red, and the first thing I'm going to do is draw a long thin rectangle with the rectangle tool like that, and then I'm going to click Effect, Distort and Transform in Zigzag, and then from there I'm going to change the size to 1mm, just like that, and then I'm going to make sure smooth is ticked, leave that as it is, then click OK. Then once I've done that, I'm going to click I'm going to give it a drop shadow, so click Effect, Stylize Drop Shadow, and then the color wants to be a slightly darker red than what you're using, and then I'm just going to change the foreground color of the rectangle to match the background. Then choosing Shift and Alt, I'm going to drag to the right, and then hold Control or Command and D to duplicate a bunch of times, just like that. And then I'm going to get my text tool, write any text you like, with it being the Euro final today, and I'm English. I'm writing England to support the team, so don't hate me. And then just drag that to enlarge it, and then I'm just going to change the foreground color. I'm going to give it a white foreground color, just like that, and then I'm just going to ungroup it, and then I'll be able to move each letter individually. So I'm going to start dragging down the letters just like that, and then I'm just going to space these out, these top three letters, just like that. Then I can tilt these anywhere I want, give them a bit of a dimension to them, just like that. And I'll do the same. Well, in fact, what I'll do is I'll enlarge these, make them a little bit bigger. Then do the same with the bottom letters. Just enlarge them, and then I'm just going to tilt them until I'm happy. I think it's starting to come together a little bit. There you go. Last two letters. I'm just going to move these to the left a little bit, make sure the spacing's quite equal, and then what I can do is I can choose these slats once I'm happy, get a slat and press Shift and Control and the right bracket key, and I'll bring it to the front, and you get that kind of effect where the slat is over the front of the letters. And do this every few slats, and then what you'll start to get is an effect like mine. And that drop shadow will obviously paint a shadow on top of your letters. It's a pretty cool effect. So give it a go with any letter you want, and tag me in if you want, and like and follow for more.